I have a simple idea for a dApp that I wasn't going to talk about publicly. I'm going to wait for Caffeine AI and do it myself. But after more thought, I decided to go ahead and just share this idea. I got the idea the other day when I was watching another content creator on YouTube, somebody that you may be familiar with in the ICP community, Bobby O, and I'm going to share the specific bit of his video that gave me this idea. Specifically, it was this video here, AI on Chain is Inevitable, Part 4 ICP, published about 13 days ago. As a point of reference, today is February 4th, 2025. Let's go ahead and take a minute to listen to something that Bobby had to say in this video, starting at the timestamp of about 2 minutes, 20 seconds.
Why do people in the crypto space normally write down their 24-word seed phrase on a card or engrave it on some type of a metal template? The majority of them, I understand there's probably a smaller percentage that stores it on the cloud, but the majority of people will normally write down their 24-word seed phrase on an index card like this or engrave it on a metal template. Why do they do that as opposed to pulling out their phone and taking a photo and just storing it on the cloud? Because if you take a photo of it and store it on the cloud, at that point, big tech has a copy of your 24-word seed phrase, and you're just hoping for the best because you have no real transparency into anything they're doing. And if there is an exploit, you can lose all of your assets, right?
And so immediately I thought, that's a good point. And, there's password storage solutions like LastPass and 1Password and IronKey and whatever other solutions are out there. Would not building a dApp on internet computer for the purpose of storing usernames, passwords, and maybe some other sensitive information like API keys on chain with internet computer, I gotta believe that would be probably a pretty simple dApp to build, at least just the basic elements that I just described. And I bet you that's the kind of thing that you could build with Caffeine AI in an afternoon. It may not have all the bells and whistles and the exact look and feel that you want, right out the gate, but especially an experienced software developer, somebody that knows how to build on internet computer, they could probably bang something out pretty well, in the space of a weekend. And I understand that there's probably a lot of other people who have had this idea, and I haven't gone searching high and low to see if there are any dApps on internet computer or any other blockchain that is trying to implement this idea. And I'm not saying that it's the best business model, nor am I suggesting that this would contribute significantly to on-chain compute or on-chain storage, and therefore probably wouldn't be a massive contributor to cycle burn. Having said all of that, would it not have value and get use, and also potentially be one of the things that people could say like, hey, this is built on blockchain. This is built on internet computer. And I don't think it would take a team of developers 6 months to build this. So I don't know. What do you all think? Worst idea ever?